2025 Ford Explorer Overview. Intro. The 2025 Ford Explorer is a bold statement in the world of midsize SUVs, designed to cater to families, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts alike. With advanced features, a revamped look, and impressive performance capabilities, the Explorer continues its legacy as a versatile and reliable vehicle. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading off-road, the 2025 Explorer has you covered. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Explorer offers a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and an available hybrid powertrain, ensuring that there's a model for every driving preference. The standard 2.3-liter turbocharged engine delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency, while the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 brings exhilarating performance, ideal for towing and off-road adventures. Combined with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the Explorer delivers smooth handling and impressive acceleration, making it a dynamic choice for all kinds of journeys. Exterior design. The 2025 Explorer brings a fresh, modern look to the SUV market. Its muscular yet refined exterior combines strong lines with sleek contours, giving it an athletic stance on the road. The redesigned front grille and narrow, angular headlights create a bold, confident presence, while the sculpted body and wide wheel arches enhance its rugged appeal. With multiple trim options and a variety of color choices, the Explorer allows for a high degree of personalization to fit your style. Interior design. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that seamlessly blends sophistication with practicality. The 2025 Explorer offers seating for up to 7 passengers with ample legroom and high-quality materials throughout. The redesigned dashboard features a large, intuitive touchscreen infotainment system powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 technology, ensuring that you stay connected on the go. Premium trim levels offer luxurious touches like leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and ambient lighting. The flexible seating and cargo space, with an available power folding third row, ensure that the Explorer adapts to your needs, whether you're carrying passengers or hauling gear. Fuel efficiency. The 2025 Ford Explorer strikes a strong balance between power and efficiency. The hybrid variant stands out with impressive fuel economy, offering the perfect combination of reduced emissions and excellent range. Even with the more powerful gas engines, the Explorer remains competitive in fuel efficiency for its class, thanks to its aerodynamic design and smart engineering. Whether you're commuting around town or hitting the open road, the Explorer is designed to keep you going without frequent stops for fuel. Outro. The 2025 Ford Explorer is a well-rounded SUV that impresses on all fronts: performance, design, technology, and efficiency. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly ride, an adventurous off-roading companion, or a stylish vehicle that suits your everyday needs, the Explorer delivers. With its bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and range of features, the 2025 Ford Explorer is ready to take on whatever the road throws at it.